Hi, my name is Trevor Hutchins. I'm here to show you how to filter faster with this easy tomato water recipe. So I'm going to start with some cut tomatoes, going right into the food processor. I like to use a food processor for this. It's just a little easy to work with as opposed to like a blender, which is a little more constricting. You're gonna have to work in batches for this, unless you have a really big food processor. It's a really simple ratio recipe, so you're doing by weight 2% salt to your tomatoes. Really well pureed for this. So the salt is great because it acts as a way to kind of pull out a lot of the moisture that you're looking for from this tomato water. Next, we filter. All right, so we have the tomato water here, and then 2 Hotel pans with 1 perforated Hotel pan on top. What you're gonna first do is wet your cheesecloth. If you don't wet the cheesecloth, it's gonna seep out a lot of the moisture, all that kind of good tomato water that you're looking for from this recipe. So pretty similar to how you'd strain a milk punch. You're gonna start with most of your product here. You're gonna start to hear it sort of trickling down into the Hotel pan. Give it a little shake. And then once it starts to run clear, same as you would with a milk punch, you're gonna switch it over to the clean one. Send this back through. Great thing about this is you can filter faster. It's completely hands-off, so you just cover it and rest it in the refrigerator for a couple hours until it's fully filtered. So after you take it out of the refrigerator, you're left with this sort of more dried pulp from the tomato water and this beautiful clear liquid here. This liquid's super versatile as well. You can use this in many applications. It's really savory for different cocktails. I've used it in a French 75 variation, really kind of savory take on it. But this method's super versatile. It's great for tomato water, but works really well for a milk punch as well. Filtering, whether it's a milk punch or tomato water, doesn't have to slow you down. This method allows you to filter while you're multitasking.